The U5 error code on an algae washing machine indicates a vibration sensor error, meaning the machine is vibrating excessively and has stopped working. This error can be caused by an unleveled floor or washer, overfilling the washer, shipping bolts still in the washer, or a damaged vibration sensor. To fix this issue, start by ensuring the floor and washer are level. If the washer is unstable, adjust the legs to stabilize it, and if the floor is unleveled, consider sanding down high spots or contacting an expert to level it. Properly loading the washer is also crucial, as overloading can cause vibration, so make sure to balance the clothes correctly and avoid overfilling. Additionally, remove any shipping bolts that may still be inside the washer, as these can also contribute to the problem. If the issue persists, inspect the vibration sensor for damage and consider contacting a professional for assistance. By addressing these potential causes and taking the necessary steps, the U5 error code can be resolved and the washing machine can function properly again.